Okurigirira Omuhwezi w'ishabaramuzi abatuura bagarukana batagiire mu kooti nkija kuhera kurwanisa omwijurano gw'emishango mu makooti okucendeeza sente z'okukoresibwa mu kutabarizana hamwe n'okureetaho enkoragana nungi omu batuura.
We are trying to increase the application of our African traditional methods in settling disputes across the country. These methods are cheap, they are quick, they are acceptable to the people, and they are decisive in settling the disputes.
Omushomo ogwo gwatandika erizooba gugenderire kutendeka abo barabe nibahwera abatuura okugarukana batagiire mu kooti.
When we assist people to reach the solution to their dispute, ensure the decision reached is in conformity with the law. Otherwise, you might assist people to reach a solution that breaches the law of Uganda.
Abariyo nibatendekwa tibarikwikirizibwa kukora nk'abaramuzi kureka biine kuhwera embaju ziine obutiikiriza n'okwikirizana.
We should not impose a resolution of the dispute to the parties.
Over 80% of the cases in our court system involve relatives conflicting mainly on how to distribute the estates and also relatives fighting over land. And for me, I believe that these are the best people to sit down, help discuss their conflicts for purposes of resolving them.
Bamumba etabo mu kushomo oku basiima entebeekanisa egi.
Okuraba omukubaza n'abantu baitu turezire ngo ekintu kino kitugenda kutukora habwokuba abantu abairukira muno bagenda mu kooti z'ebiragiro bakizire kulemera n'osanga omusango gumazire emyaka 8, 10. Abantu baitu habwire abo babaine bamara mu kooti kandi n'abandi bakandi batekereza ngo omusango tigucwire mu mazima habwokuba abaireho enguzi abaireho kiri na kiri no muchwe emisango timumanyire kurungi baroya timanyire kutongana baitu bino nibimalirwa hagati yogu alukujunana hamu na mutahiwe obaineho ekanana.
Amakuraga gashakwa Jonan Tsingwire.